Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you one more airdrop, which is a big airdrop, so you must participate in that airdrop. You all must participate in that airdrop, and to be able to participate in that airdrop you need a you need a Trust Wallet account, minimum a Trust Wallet account. So just download the Trust Wallet from Play Store, then create a wallet, and after save your keys, which are very important. So save your keys phrases in a very safe place, write it in a safe place, and then enter your key phrase, verify that, and then your wallet will be created. So go to the Telegram then, and after your Trust Wallet has been created, go to your Telegram app, go to this channel free airdrops, then click on this link. After you click on this link, open it in a browser. After you open it in a browser, you will show like this Chinese language. So just click on here in the cross button, and you will see Chinese language. So to convert it into English so that you will be understandable it, so just scroll down and click here, select language, and then scroll down, search for English. Here English, just click on here and click and now after selecting English, your this page will automatically be translated to English language. So now you need to scroll down, click on participate in the airdrop, and after you click on there, you will see this kind of box, ETH address. So here you have to enter your Ethereum address, and please remember that you need to put your Ethereum address of Trust Wallet or Token Pocket or IM Token, any other wallet. So I'm going to put the Ethereum address, ETH address of Trust Wallet. So you must create a wallet in Trust Wallet. Go to your Trust Wallet like this. This is the Trust Wallet app. Now just scroll down. Here is your Ethereum. Click here. After then click on copy. Now your address has been copied. Now go back to the site. Click on the blank box and click on paste. Click on submit here. After you submit your Trust Wallet address, then you will see a page like this. So now you have balance 10 UNIA and number of invitations of people 0. Invitation reward is 10 UNIA per referral. So if you invite one person, you will get 10 UNIA. So here your wallet is shown here. If you want to withdraw these tokens, withdraw your earned tokens to your Trust Wallet, you can click on extract. After you click on extract, enter the quantity, means you have balance now you have balance 10, so you just enter 10 here. Click on determine, and then your withdrawal will be processed and your withdrawal may reach to the Trust Wallet. You will see your balance in the Trust Wallet. So to see the your balance in the Trust Wallet, you need to see your token in the Trust Wallet, you need to first go to the Telegram, copy this contract address. I'm going to copy this whole. Paste it here, then just copy this only, this contract address, copy. Click on copy. Now go back to your Trust Wallet. After you go to Trust Wallet, you go like this, and now you need to click on here in this icon. Click here, paste your contract address which you have copied just right now. Click this button so that it will be on, and now go back and refresh. Now just scroll to the bottom and you will see that token here, because you have pasted the contract address and turned it on, so you will see the UNIA swap here. After you just click on the determine button in the site. After you click on extract over here in this site. After you click on extract and enter the 10 there and click on determine, then your withdrawal will be processed, and after some time you may receive the your tokens. If you want more earning, then you can directly invite your friends invitation reward is 10 UNI per referral. So go scroll down, copy this code invitation link and share it with your friends. When they just enter their trust wallet address and do the same what you have did before, then you will get one referral, and for each referral you get 10 UNI tokens. So you may invite as much as people as possible, so that you will be able to earn a lot of tokens and a lot of money. So each token may be worth huge, so just invite as much as you can, and just join this airdrop, because this is a big airdrop. So don't miss, please participate in this airdrop and withdraw your bonus using extract button. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.